NCP chief Sharad Pawar finally broke his silence on the serious allegations levelled by former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh against Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Earlier on Saturday, former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh wrote a letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray accusing Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of corruption and extortion. Addressing a press conference in New Delhi, Sharad Pawar said the allegations against Home Minister Anil Deshmukh are serious and said that a thorough probe must be conducted.
Allegations against Home Minister, which is a serious allegation, is Home Minister has instructed some of the staff members of Bombay Police, they should collect 100 crores per month and hand over to him.
Sharad Pawar also said that a decision on future of Anil Deshmukh will be taken by Monday after consulting all alliance partners. The NCP chief also mentioned that the former Mumbai Police Commissioner had appraised him about the political interference in the police department. Parambir Singh, in his letter to the Chief Minister, had noted that he had briefed Sharad Pawar about the alleged misdeeds by Anil Deshmukh. However, Sharad Pawar denied the claims and said that there was no mention of money transfer during the conversation.
In his briefing to me and his letter which I read, there is no information about actually collection of money or actually money has been transferred or handed over to CM and not CM, Home Minister or his staff. Regarding CP has mentioned my name, it is true that he met me. And he met me in connection with propose his transfer, which Government of Maharashtra was going to issue the orders.
Sharad Pawar also blamed former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh for reinstating suspended Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Vaze.
After getting information, I was told he was police sub-inspector. He was suspended about 16 years back and recently he was reinstated in service. The decision to reinstate in service was neither taken by CM or Home Minister. It was taken by CP himself, and he was reinstated and immediately he was given very important sensitive assignment.
Continuing his attack against Parambir Singh, the NCP chief said that the former Mumbai Police Commissioner is making such allegations for removing him as Police Commissioner.
When government took conscious decision to shift him from Bombay Commissioner to the Home Guard, I think then he made such a wild allegation. Prior to shifting him from Bombay Police in 2 or 3 weeks' time, he never mentioned a single thing or he never made any allegation against Home Minister. All these allegations, when action was taken against CP Bombay and he was shifted from there to, as per his thinking, less important department.
Before concluding his briefing, Sharad Pawar backed the Maharashtra government and said that the decision on probe lies in the hands of the Chief Minister.
It is a prerogative of the Chief Minister to take appropriate decision, and CM has full authority to take decision regarding allegations, inquiry about these allegations. Aspect of allegation is against Home Minister and second allegations are against CP himself.
Sharad Pawar also said that this case will not have any effect on the Maha Vikas Aghadi Sarkar and it will complete its full term.